3 best PC for gaming and montage in $4507501,000. Building a gaming PC for maximum performance under $1,000. This PC is best for full HD gaming. Processor and Ryzen 5 7600. It offers strong gaming performance thanks to its Zen 4 architecture and 6 cores, and it's very power efficient. Video card, RTX 4060 including DLSS and ray tracing capabilities. It's a solid choice for 108OP and capable of 144OP gaming at medium to high settings. Memory, Corsair Vengeance DDR556OMHZ. Storage 1TB 2 SSD. Motherboard, MSIB 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Best board for Ryzen 7000. SU, Corsair RM650X. Finally, everything cost. Best gaming PC for multiplayer games. Under $750. CPU, Ryzen 5 5600 is a good choice for budget gaming PCs. GPU, RTX 4060, best for 108OP gaming. RAM 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz, smooth gameplay. Storage, M2 SDD1T. SU, 650WTV P650. Motherboard, Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus is best for Ryzen. Best PC for Blender under $450. With Blender, you can create 3D models, animations. CPU, Ryzen 5 5500. It best CPU in this budget. GPU, GTX 1070T. The GPU is very important for Blender viewport performance and rendering. Motherboard, MSIB 450MA Pro Max 2. Motherboards are affordable and compatible with Ryzen 5000 series CPUs. RAM, 16GB or 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz. SU, MS iMade GA5 OBN 550W80. Plus SSD 512 GM2.